hook him by there, so. See it there? Yeah. Get the fur. How me does this? How me does it pop up in the water all like that? I say leverage nation, I see sitting put up it head of water. But I say, a salt water this I can't hardly get that.
The leverage. Not the leverage, yeah. Not the leverage. Not the leverage, yeah. My dog got the leverage, alright.
The leverage, yeah. Welcome back to Leverage Boss TV. You don't know, so your boy Eclips, aka Leverage Boss. You know, from the scene I title, you don't know, say solo dolo today. Today we are doing some solo fishing, you see me? Right now, we are going to the wilderness. We are going when I park them, I kind of like the most, but the only thing with this park, you know, you have to wear some long sleeve, because more time the bush them bring out some mosquito or some sun and or something, you see me? Come by, that's the only thing, but you know, a calm, peaceful, no one bag of people in there. And yeah, just a walk down the street, set there. Walk down the street right now. The Leverage Nation, I don't know, so we have a bait, no, we have the shrimp, you see me, some dead shrimp, and we have the rod, don't know, yeah, and I see where I go on. So yeah man, we gotta do the right thing and check in and see where I go on. So right now, we are going through the bush there man, see where I go on. So remember, if you always like, comment, share and subscribe in the Leverage Nation. Oh, I'll pass the park. A little got you right there, so you know a thing go. Yeah, Leverage Nation. Nice spot, you know, quiet and nice. That I like about it. Who know, maybe in the future can I come right here. In the future we can come right here, so I'll set up all a pot or something right there, so you see me? I want to go right there, so. Like people with all there. I have garbage. Okay. Here Leverage Nation, so we're there. We have some shrimp. And we are set it up, so you know a leverage man. Check out and see where I go on. You see me? Show you. Do a little quick setup. So hold on there. Give me a second. So here Leverage Nation. Here Leverage Nation, I don't know. We'll do a quick little setup, you know. You know, simple. Check out this. Simple 1 tree. I'll release this. Make sure it line up. Kinda knock up still. But you know the leverage nation. So that's that. Well, I show him, check in, I put on the shrimp, showing the shrimp. We'll be right back. Yeah, Leverage Nation. So, see shrimp or a bag of shrimp. Them shrimp are big though. Kinda prefer small, but guess what? I tell you, have no knife out here. I just use a quick vlog, you know. No one make me see where I go on, but a simple mods, man. We have the hook right here, so just bust off the head for just. Yeah, see it there. I do it that way. I have different way, but I just try it that way. Yeah. Remember in a Leverage Nation. Remember, you know, we are not pro, you know, we just like the fishing and we just do it, and while we go we learn, you know. Big up to all of the pro them out there, you know. So if you see anything when I do wrong and you can't tell me, just do it thing, man. You know you leverage, that's a part of leverage, you see me? But just enjoy doing it. Yeah. Alright, Leverage Nation. See where I go on, yeah? We're out there. So, we are still where I go on, yeah? We are through the line. Something simple. That they do it. You know a Leverage Nation, you see me? Yeah, man. Don't know. So, we there going easy. Don't know. Check out the environment. Yeah, man. The location. Who know? Who knew? Welcome. Who there before? Who know the spot here? You know one of your favorite spot them for now. So I don't know. We keep on the post and see where I go on. You see me? You know a Leverage Nation. Always remember, you know, remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. I like it because it's a cool spot over here, so I can sit down on them stone here and just go and build and just see where I go on. So we check in back if we get no bite, you know? Yeah, that is it. Right now, Leverage Nation then gone. So the first shrimp so far. So we just are there. I'll try again, you know. And see where we're going. Yeah. I just beat a nice little fling out. Nothing too great. So yeah, man, just there. Like I said, these are the reasons why I like that spot here. These are the reasons because quiet. You know, no one bag of people, you know, and fish they out here. So we are gonna see, but I don't know a Leverage, you know. I just vibe with well with me today. We used to it because normally have the team, but I don't know. Team busy, so somebody have to do it. I don't know, so Leverage boss. They are phony, you know. But yeah, man, enjoy the quiet place and the bush and yeah, man, over there. People are wonder, look on it. People have to wonder if a Jamaica I really Florida with there, you know. But that's how I like it, man, you know. Hopefully, feel a little bite a while ago, you know. But like me I say, feel a bite, you know. But like me I say, Leverage Nation, just check in, you know, and see where I go on, you know. Out here, that's a leverage, man. Oh, me get one Leverage Nation, me get one. Hook him by there, so. See it there? Yeah. Small though. First one, you see me? You catch him weird. But yeah man, Leverage Nation, I throw him back, you know. So just check in. Just check in. And see where I go on. Yeah. I'll beat him up again. Throw back that one, yeah. And start again. So yeah. So yeah, Leverage Nation, you see? I think it was underside. I think it was a lane which is supposed to be 8 inches, isn't it? But get the fur. How come it does this? How me does it pop up in the water all like that? I say Leverage Nation, I see sitting put up it head a while. But I say a salt water this I can't hardly get that. I run left this, you know. Right it. This is sitting one day for turkey or something. I look out of my eye them, you know, because I don't know when I just pop up in the water. Yeah. Get one again in a Leverage Nation. Look. Oh, it's gone. Yeah, me talk. It's gone, but no, for real though. Every nation, I see sitting deep up all ago and go down. I wonder if a turtle or something, but I look, you know, because I don't know how the thing go. Yeah man. Try again, it's a good, I get couple good pick, man. You see me? You know, so that's a leverage, I get couple good pick. So we out here are the right thing, you know. Them say the cameraman never dies still, so hopefully my eyes them are deceive me. Hopefully I just want turtle or something come up. You see me? Yeah. You see me come up like one alligator nose all I go. Me I say, how are that? I see things. Alright, so just check in. Maybe I watch you go on Leverage Nation. You know your leverage. Woo! Yeah, Leverage Nation. Yo, leverage nation. Me know say me not stop until me see. Me know say I must circle. I must circle. Him over the side there. You see something come up. Look around there, sir. Look at the bubble. Hold on there. Hold on there. He may come up again. That me I wonder if I turkle, so me I tell the vlog say yo. Me I wonder if I turkle, me say sit and push up in head and come. What do I move slow, so me I think a turkle, probably a turkle. I want to make sure. Yeah, leverage nation. We're still out here, you know. Hoping to enjoy the experience. I don't know anything, but yeah. That's the right thing, you know. Check in. There. Check in. That's a leverage. Remember, you know, like up the thing, share out, like, comment, share, and subscribe. You know the leverage, guys. Wow. Do the right thing, you know. Out here, you know. Out here hot. I'm gone. Jano. Give me big thing, you know. Yo. And see pull pan now on the leverage nation. Jano. I'm gone left gone with everything. All of the bait. Ah. Rotted. It's a crab. Drop off. Wanna see that? So yeah, leverage nation. I don't know, a quick one right now. Yeah, but hopefully the crab. Wanna see a crab. I think it come right at the edge and drop off. You see me? A crab. I get a couple bite well, but we catch one and put back. So yeah man, hope you enjoy the adventure. And we're just there. And I'm flinging on back the shrimp. On the line. On the line. And swing out again. and say we wrap it up fast, you know. But hope when you like the adventure and you like the scenery, you don't know, you showing it earlier. Quick little vlog, you don't know your leverage. You see me? So that we are there now. We are have the shrimp as like we said earlier, as the shrimp, as bait. And just enjoy the little time, you know, alone time. Them thing fishing come like can be a therapy to you know. Good for us enjoying nature. Quiet time and just go and enjoy the thing, you see me? So show up this and look where I'm going now. Thing, but see where I go on right now. Don't know like we say, leverage nation is not about the catches or the experience on the phone, you know. I know the fishing spot, the out here from here. The wharf out here, so you see me see boat tack past there. Oh, there I enjoy the thing, man. So you know a leverage, man. That's a leverage, you know. You know a leverage nation. We see sun hot, soon called to wrap. Quick little thing, you know. Yeah, man. Soon wrap him up and do the right thing, so. But remember, I can always say, go to some good location if you know if you're in the Florida area. And I think we can go anywhere for fishing and things, but in the near future we have a surprise soon. It's a nice fishing spot, you know? Yeah. Yeah, man. So we just out here try catch what we catch. If nothing out here today. And we are the right thing. Yeah. This bite a while ago, but look like a little wave, but yeah, man. Check it out. Nice scenery, people. Nice bush. I like it. Look a stone there right there, so yeah, man, I like it, you know. Yeah. Yeah, man. So I think we are gonna wrap up soon. I'm gonna see what happens. Yeah. So check in and tell her where I'm going later, isn't it? I get something to get it. That's a leverage. Check in and see where I'm going. Is it? Yeah. Right now, leverage nation out here hot. look on the sit me and swim. Hold on the leverage nation. I'm serious I want stone, you know. I want this right there, so. Yo, look right there, so. I don't know if you don't see that thing there. It's a move, you know. Right now, leverage nation, that and a stuff. Watch it. See him there? Oh! You see him? Next time I see a thing I come up, I wonder if I see I come up, I wonder if alligator. See him right there, so. What the hell is that? Serious stone, watch it. You must see right as well. But well, let's see if we can get a better look. So I'm big leverage nation. What is? Jano leverage nation. Let's see where I go on. Well, let's see where I go on leverage nation, but the right side, the right side, see that? That is it. No, out here. Hope you enjoy that come out and discover something new. What name? When you tell me in the comment section, what that name? I don't know. Them there right there. So. in front of me. Right, so I'm going to put it down in the water again and open the can. Yeah, leverage nation, I say, when I see something, I seriously a stone. But I say, no, no, idiot, that stone there move. And then the first time I see it, my mom telling me, say, yo, alligator, I see something I put up them nose. So I see him put up him nose, hopefully camera catch him. But yeah, that's a leverage nation. And tell me in the comment section, you see me? Yeah. Gone. Alright, leverage nation, I don't know. We are called to wrap today. I don't know. Get a couple bite and thing I'll put back. Meet up our mysterious new friend. I don't know what, because I don't know what that's in the water. I'm still there right there. So remember, like, comment, share and subscribe. Until next time, leverage nation. You know a leverage. Leverage. I'm gonna look at so my friend I see him with. That's it. Until next time, leverage nation, we're out.